Maharashtra Deputy CM Ajit Pawar has come under fire and he sparked a political uproar with remarks made during a campaign rally in Malegaon of Baramati, where Pawar warned voters that development funds would flow only if they backed his party's candidates in the upcoming local body elections. He said, and I quote, that if you cut the votes, I will cut funds. NCP ally BJP has also hit out at Pawar for threatening voters on funds. Maharashtra Mantri has reminded Pawar that he is not only the authority who can decide on funds, it's the Chief Minister who has to give the nod to every financial activity in the state as well. Now, the Uddhav Sena as well had lashed out at Pawar, stating that funds are meant for public and that is not his personal money that he's resorting to threaten the people of Maharashtra.
तुम्ही मला 18च्या 18 उमेदवार निवडून दिले ना, मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं सगळं द्यायला तयार आहे, पण तुम्ही तिथं काट मारली मी पण काट मारणार. तुमच्या हातात मत द्यायचंय, माझ्या हातात निधी द्यायचंय. मग बघा काय ते.
Say that the Mahayuti is amply clear that we will only reach out to the voter for development, and the votes that we have got, be it the Lok Sabha, the Vidhan Sabha or the Sthanik Swaraj, is based on the good work that has been done. There will never ever be a shortage of funds, irrespective of which the area is, whether it's Malegaon or any other part of Maharashtra, because the people of Maharashtra have only welcomed development and have rejected any kind of other comment.
ये तो धमकी है, ये कुछ वोट को जो विकास निधि देते हैं और विकास निधि और वोट, इसका एक प्रकार से समर्थन करना ही गलत है. वोट देना नहीं देना, विकास करे ना करे, ये स्वतंत्र बात है. लेकिन अजीत दादा जिस प्रकार धमकी दे रहे हैं कि वो विकास निधि के इनके घर का है, अजीत दादा के, ये तो जनता का पैसा है. इसलिए इस प्रकार की बातें करना, इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इसके तरफ ध्यान देने की जरूरत है.